Hi everyone, how are you all doing? Today I will finally show you my order from Komaki Store. I actually ordered my stickers last year. What was it? I think it was December. And the stickers, however, arrived in the beginning of March this year. So you might wonder why my order took so long. So that's because I ordered two pre-order items. That's the Card Capture Sakura and the Sailor Moon stickers, which was promised to send out in January, but still everything got delayed and the shipping finally took place at the end of February. I was a bit disappointed because of the lack of communication, but to make things good again, Mika promised me to send out the letter registered, and she even added some freebies, so all in all, I'm very happy that everything arrived safe and sound. The stickers have an excellent quality, and I really love the Animal Crossing stickers. They are so cute. That's enough talk from me now, so let's make some Animal Crossing themed envelopes. Feel free to visit my blog if you need any more inspiration. Please support Mika on her Instagram account or on her shop. The link is below. Thank you so much for watching and I see you guys next time. またね!